Now, Reserve Bank of India recently, last week, floated a paper about whether the payment gateway UPI, should there be a charge there or not. The government has come up with their own views on that. Do you think an innovative payment gateway like UPI needs to be charged? It's a service. It's like saying if I was using money order and demand draft, the customer ultimately was paying.
You see, we have come out with a discussion paper,
yes,
and our idea was to get stakeholder comments and suggestions. So let the comments come, we will examine them and move forward.
If I could request you to clear the air on RBI stance on PSB privatization. Post circular, RBI did come out with a clarification, but PSB privatization in India, why is that good?
You see, as a regulator of the banking sector, we are neutral to ownership. That is the stand of RBI, and that is our, that is the bottom line of our stand. We are ownership neutral. We prescribe certain regulatory guidelines, and it is our job to ensure that those regulatory guidelines are adhered to, and the banking sector, banking sector functions in an orderly manner, in a well-regulated manner. Banks are robust, they are well capitalized, their financial parameters should be strong. So we are agnostic to ownership. We are ownership neutral, and in fact, on the issue of this latest thing which you are mentioning, that's a bulletin paper produced by some of our researchers. It does not represent the official view of the RBI, but I think there was some amount of misinterpretation in the market. If you read that sentence carefully, they have said a big bang privatization may not be as good as following a orderly and calibrated approach as is being done by the government. So the first part of the sentence was cut out and the latter part of the sentence was cut out, and only one thing was taken out of context. And so we thought, and since it was being attributed to RBI, we wanted to clarify. We didn't clarify incidentally, we just simply said that it's not the official view of the RBI, and we only said that the authors, the researchers, have only said this. They have not said anything beyond. The official stand of the RBI is that, I am telling you, is that we are ownership neutral. The owners of the bank, it's for them to decide how much of shareholding they want to retain, how much they want to the others, the public or whoever wants to own. Our regulations are, ownership neutral.
I'll take the